Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cuero Para Tapizar is probably one of the most sought-after materials for upholstery, offering a perfect blend of durability, elegance, and natural beauty. In this video, we will delve into the world of Cuero Para Tapizar, exploring its unique characteristics, different types, and helping you choose the perfect leather for your next upholstery project, ensuring both quality and style. Number 5. ONine Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to unsightly tears and scratches on your favorite leather items. This versatile patch is the perfect solution for restoring your furniture, car seats, and more to their former glory. It's 3 by 60 inches, easily cut to any size you need. The soft, smooth leather texture blends seamlessly with your existing material. Made from high-quality leather, it's waterproof, wear-resistant, and strong enough to repair scratches, tears, holes, and burns. It even works on uneven surfaces. Simply clean the area, cut the patch to size, peel off the backing, and stick it on. It's that easy to renew your furniture. Use it on sofas, car seats, jackets, bags, almost anything made of leather or vinyl. It's the ultimate repair solution for all your leather goods. We offer over 20 classic colors. Please check the detailed page for color matching, or contact us for assistance choosing the perfect shade for your project. What we like? It's a long leather repair tape, so you can cut it to any size you need. Its strong adhesive makes application a breeze. Just clean the area, peel, and stick. This is perfect if you need a versatile solution for patching up various leather items around your home, from furniture to car seats. What people say? The adhesive on this tape is incredibly strong. Once applied, it stays firmly in place, without any signs of peeling or lifting. It withstands daily use, including sliding on and off the couch and constant movement in the car, without any issues whatsoever. The generous 3 by 60 inch dimensions provide ample coverage for larger areas of damage. A single piece is often sufficient, saving both time and money. Another standout feature of this leather repair tape is its seamless blending ability. The color and texture match the original leather remarkably well, making the repaired areas virtually indistinguishable from the rest of the surface. Number 4. RingSun 12-foot x 24 leather sheets. It's made of genuine, premium pull-up oil tanned leather. You'll appreciate its firm feel, tight and uniform pores, and beautiful gloss. This sheet measures 23.8 by 12 inches, perfect for a wide variety of crafts. It's 2 mm thick and very durable. The package includes one large brown leather sheet and a leather rope for easy storage. It's ready for your creativity. It's soft, smooth, wrinkle-resistant, and even has some waterproof properties. The rich grease in the leather prevents fading. Use it for carving, dyeing, embossing, or any leather craft project you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. From bags and wallets to phone cases and more, it's ideal for all your leather crafting needs. Get creative and make something amazing. What we like? Made from 100% genuine leather, this large sheet offers a premium feel and is perfect for crafting. Its thickness ensures durability and longevity. If you're a leather crafting enthusiast seeking high-quality material for your projects, this is the one for you. What people say? The leather is absolutely beautiful, super high quality. Very high quality stuff, and not a ton of leftover materials for me too. It's very even in texture, color, and comes rolled up with a leather wristband as a bonus. It's easy to work with and even engraves well with a laser. Number 3. NAT Leather's Vegan Leather. Introducing our luxurious vegan leather, perfect for upholstery and crafting projects. It's soft, pliable, and ethically made. This high-quality faux leather boasts a rich, two-tone brown distressed finish. Experience the look and feel of real leather without the animal products. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for upholstery, bags, clothing, and more. Its 0.9 mm thickness ensures durability. Each piece measures 36 inches by 54 inches. It arrives folded, any creases will smooth out over time. Feel the incredible softness and pliability of this vegan leather. It's a joy to work with. Rest assured, it's PETA-approved vegan leather, meaning you can create beautiful projects without compromising your values. What we like? This soft and pliable vegan leather is a budget-friendly option without compromising on style. It's perfect if you are looking for an ethical and affordable alternative for your upholstery or crafting projects. It's easy to work with and gives a luxurious look. What people say. Beautiful faux leather, color is beautiful and it feels like good quality. Used it for book binding and it worked perfectly. Very nice quality and easy to work with when covering furniture. The weathered, my choice, looks extremely close to genuine leather. I buy from these folks regularly. Quality vinyl. Nice thickness and strong. Easy to work with, folding, stapling, nailing, pinning, no problems. Number 2. Bark Upholstery Fabric. Introducing a premium faux leather fabric. It's 1.2 mm thick and offers superior durability and comfort. This upholstery leather is waterproof and highly resistant to abrasions and scratches. It's perfect for lasting beauty. Experience the luxurious feel of this soft, breathable fabric. It's designed for both comfort and style. It's ideal for furniture, car interiors, bags, crafts, and more. Let your creativity shine. This fabric cuts cleanly without fraying and can be sewn by hand or machine. Cleaning is a breeze with a damp cloth. Our FBA orders come pre-cut to 36x54, saving you time and effort. It's ready for your next project. What we like. This faux leather is highly durable and waterproof, making it ideal for high-wear areas. Its easy-to-clean surface is a big plus. If you're looking for a practical and long-lasting material for upholstery or DIY projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The material was thicker than original one, so had a little bit of trouble when stapling the edges. But overall look and feel is lovely. We'll be replacing the cover of rest of the chairs with the same material. The quality is awesome and I love the color. It was very true to the picture. Highly recommend. Looks like real leather. It's stretchable and easy to work with. I was able to cover 6 chairs, start to finish, in one day. You'll probably want to replace your existing foam pads. Number 1. Furniture Clinic Leather Flexifil. It's extremely flexible, designed to withstand constant use and flexing on leather. Say goodbye to cracks and flaking. Simply spread it over the damaged area with a spatula, following the crack's direction. Let it dry, repeat if needed, and sand for a smooth finish. It flows evenly, creating a strong bond with the leather. A little goes a long way for effective repair. For best results, apply leather binder first. This creates a stronger base for a more durable repair. It's suitable for all types of leather, from furniture and car interiors to clothes and shoes. Repair heavy cracks with ease. It easily fills in cat scratches, holes, and heavy cracks, restoring your leather's beauty. What we like. This extremely flexible filler is perfect for repairing deep cracks and scratches in leather. Its self-leveling formula makes application simple and efficient. If you need to repair heavily damaged leather furniture or car seats, this is the product for you. What people say. Did a great job fixing a repair in the side bolster of my Mustang seat. It's in the side bolster that takes a lot of abuse when getting into or out of the car. It's virtually invisible after one coat, it stuck all the little jagged edges down. Un nero autosigilant finitura opaca de primato, non lascia odor sigilla qualsiasi graffio ho scripolatura in modo permanente, I settlai in parte rano scrapolati e in parte alla bordatura mancava il calor. Con tu passate di questo prodotto hanno ripreso vita, a veramente excisionale non pensavo mai poi mai esistes un prodotto così efficace. Che dire sono rimasto spalordito veramente excisionale. Ho lavato I settlai col detergent pulitor dopo che il prodotto era acido, non si. Leva più non è un prodotto che maschera solo lo ripara al 1000. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.